Good evening, everybody, and welcome to this very quick session about how we are going to celebrate Gandhi Jayanti as part of 500K Step Challenge for an event that has got Mahatma Gandhi as the main hero, inspiration, role model, whatever you want to call him. And we thought that we should do something. Milind has been traveling, and we have been having a series of meetings, and we thought that we should, tell you what we thought that we should be doing, and then of course seek your opinion also, and see how we can take it forward. How the ultimate idea is that how can more people make walking a regular part of their activity? How can more people come and be part of this movement? How can more people learn about Gandhian values, which basically is what this event is meant to be, and what we thought is that we should set up a challenge within the 500K Step Challenge, where for 7 days, starting from October 2nd till October 8th, both days are inclusive. Everybody will walk 5,000 steps. So each one of us will encourage, I mean, you as ambassadors and also all the participants will be encouraged to walk 5,000 steps every day. It need not be again like a cycle or this. It can be anytime during the day, but we'll walk 5,000 steps. If some of you can say that I will walk 5,000 steps at 6 a.m. in this garden, in this beach, in this common spot, public park, or in this building compound, whatever it is, then that is also a nice way to do it, because then more people will join you. But if you want to walk on your own and you want to encourage your friends to join you in a virtual medium so that more people this, that is also fine. So the idea was to kind of have a sub event or a micro event or an event within an event as an activation, as a this for Gandhi Jayanti. So we got our thoughts together, and I will share the document which captures our thoughts. Just give me 1 minute. Can you all see it?
Yes.
Okay. So celebrating Gandhi Jayanti, new registrants as well as existing registrants will be encouraged to walk 5,000 steps each day from October 2nd to October 8th. Okay. All you need to do is, all the participant has to do is register for 500K Step Challenge, share your selfie on social media with the hashtag 500K Step Challenge and Steps to Liberate. Tag 500K Step Challenge, Milind running. You too can run and Titan track tag. Follow You Too Can Run and 500K Step Challenge Facebook page and Instagram handle. And we want everybody to nominate. Like if I am going to walk 5,000 steps every day. So every day I will nominate 3 people who are on my friends list to take up the challenge and this. And then of course the profile has to be, the post has to be public, because otherwise we cannot track it. Okay. So this is what we want all our participants to do: walk 5,000 steps and do the social media activation. In turn, what will happen is that Milind has agreed that wherever he is featured, he will reshare his stories. So he will put all the stories on his, or they will see, or they will, he will reshare it. So that's a very big plus for everybody. Every day, Titan Track is our partner. So every day we have agreed to give 2 lucky winners. Whoever tags will get 2 watches. So every day, so if we October 2nd is Saturday, so Saturday people will walk. Sunday they will post, because somebody will do 5,000 steps towards the end of the day. So Saturday or Sunday they will post. On Monday we will have the lucky draw, and also there is a new brand called True Elements, which is about granola bar and all that. Granola bar, protein powder, they've got all this stuff. So every day there will be 2 winners who will get 2,500 rupees ka voucher each, and all the participants will get some 60% off coupon on their website. Titan Track also has got 50% off, so that will continue for everybody. And over. So starting from Monday, we will have the lucky draw till next Sunday. Okay, so that is what the challenge is, which is really an Gandhi Jayanti activation within the 500K step challenge. The app will be downloaded. You all know the app. It works for some, it doesn't work for some. Whoever doesn't work, they can go manual and enter it. It's a honor system. We are not checking anybody, as I've clarified in the earlier meeting that we had. And this is what they tend to win. Milind Soman's stories. He has also agreed to download the app. He is traveling in Gujarat, and many people who follow him know it. And we are going to have a press conference tomorrow. The timing is not decided, but that press conference will happen with him and with me, and myself and Milind are finalizing that. And once that happens, then of course you all will all be there. And the press conference will happen. There will be a press launch, and you all will get to do creatives, post about it on your social media. Whatever registrations will come to your credit, and whatever those benefits are will continue, and all the other things will remain the same. So this is what we thought we should use as a activation within 500K step challenge to celebrate Gandhi Jayanti by following the athleticism of Gandhiji, which is to tell people that he used to walk. He was a good athlete. Whatever his other virtues were. Let us look at it as an athletic person and celebrate the athleticism of Mahatma Gandhi. So this is what our thinking has been, and the floor is now open. Anybody wants to ask any questions, clarifications, we are there to answer, which is the purpose of this meeting.
Venkat, this is Anil. Yeah, yes, hi, this is Anil here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think this is an excellent initiative now.
We are open to modifications, we are open to suggestions, yes, whatever. I mean, the first thought, yeah.
Yeah, so now would the existing participants can also continue with this?
Yes, they can also continue. Yes,
that is one. Secondly, for the new participants, are you going to send some kind of an email to the existing participants registration was done?
Yes, yes, so that 3 lakh emails will go out to the existing and to our database.
Okay, so that will go out. Okay, fine. And for the new registration, the whatever the charges and everything remains the same, right?
Everything remains the same. We
everything
cannot give any discount. So that's not.
Now for them, will they get a medal? Or suppose somebody wants to participate only for this 7 days, from 2nd October to 8 October only. If somebody want to participate only for say 8 days, say 7 or 8 days. So will they get anything like
no,
medal?
They have to register for that 400 rupees. They will get the book and they can be part of the walk till 26th of January.
Okay, fine. Okay.
So whatever else comes, so today, for example, we are Titan track. We have not got true elimination. Milind has now agreed that all his obligations are over. So for the next 7 days, he, his mother and his wife, or all 3 are going to take part and they're going to post. So, I mean, Milind is a small thing, but whatever it is, whatever else comes. So we don't know in Diwali which brands will come and what they will give.
Correct.
So they will get the benefit.
So this for this Titan,
400 rupees is not a very big sum.
Correct. I agree. That's not the point. For Titan, so will they be giving prize only for this in 2 days inclusive from 2nd to 8th?
No, they have given us 100 vouchers.
Okay, fine. So to go on to 26.
So अभी तो 16 निकाल रहा है.
Okay, fine. Then sir. Okay,
in the next month when the activities all pick up, because August, September, then we will definitely be having more of this Titan track watches and all that. It's an 18,000 rupees watch, the top end watch, which has got triathlon watch, GPS, both the GPS, there's GLaSSNOS and GPS, swimming, cycling, walking, running. What?
So one question, from 2nd October to 8th October, the person have a ceiling for 5,000K or they can do more?
They can do more.
More also, no?
Yeah, okay. Of course. 5,000 is the minimum.
Minimum. Okay.
Minimum, yeah. They have to walk at least 5,000 steps. So that's like the
Okay.
challenge within the challenge.
Yes. It's a nice concept. sir.
Again, 5,000 steps is about, today if you ask me, it is about 3.5 kilometers. It is about
Yes.
1 hour walking maximum at a very casual pace.
Correct.
For people
That
who are
means-
running like us, who are running, 5,000 steps will be again 3.5 kilometers. Even if you're doing at 8 pace, long slow distance marathon method, it is about 20-25 minutes of running, half an hour of running.
Right.
Yeah, sir. Approx 3 or 4 kilometer is 5,000 K.
Yeah, 3.5 again depends upon cadence and stride length and all
Yeah.
that. So we felt that, even as health ambassadors, this is a good opportunity to again reach out. Certain people have registered, certain people may have been thinking, karu, nahi karu. This is a new opportunity. I, for example, I'm going to walk every day 5,000, and I've decided that, one day I will say BKC I'm going to walk, one day I'll say society I'm going to walk, one day I'll say Kalina mein there's a park, I'm going to walk from there, and I'll keep posting every day that I'm going to walk. Anybody who wants to come walk with me, they may be my friends, they may be not my friends, they may be the local Pinkathon group that is there in Kalina, whoever wants to come, please come. It's a 1 hour walk.
Okay, so apart from
Yes,
apart from this email which you're going to send to everyone, are you going to create some kind of a creative so that we
Yeah,
can
all that
immediately
will-
send
all that
everybody
will-
on the WhatsApp?
Yes, sir, everybody will
fine.
get individual creative something.
Fine, perfect. Thank you.
Hiral, you want to take over and explain what all we are doing?
Sure. So, the sir has basically explained everything that we are doing. The reason why we are doing all of this is so that, we can get more and more people participating. And you also can go out and tell, you can get people walking with you in these 8 days. So irrespective of whether the person is, if you have a group of people who are participants with you, right? People in your building or people in your family or somebody who's walking with you in a group for these 8 days. For the second and third, when you'll start walking, people will come, people will see, people will ask you what is happening, right? That is the time you can go ahead and tell these people that this is the initiative that we are taking, and this is how you all will be able to reach out to more and more people to tell them the benefits of walking, tell them the benefits of why we are doing this. You can then explain to more people as to why you need to do this, and how it is going to make an impact in their lives, and how it is already making an impact in your life and the people who are already walking with you. So the element that we have been missing so far of walking together, running together, that is the element that you all can get out of this from this small event that we are trying to do, so that your group together or your building friends together or your family together can come down, can walk, and can do you all can decide on a time. It is not necessary that you walk in the morning. Some people want to run in or walk in the night. You can decide a time amongst you all, a mutual time, and then go out and walk together. This way you will also be able to actually motivate other people to come and join you as well, people who have not joined. And here it is not going to be such that second or third ko jisne nahi kiya hai, usko fourth ko prize nahi milega. Somebody who joins on fourth can also be and walks, can also be a part of this, can also win, because these are daily prizes.
Yeah. And it is a lucky win.
Lucky draw, yes, lucky draw. So that is something that we can do, and here we are trying to get in as much as traction, or as much as fun for you guys, not only in base of not only through the app, but also brands coming in. If you see that sir already said that Titan is already on board, we are already talking to 2-3 more brands. If that confirmation comes in, if that confirmation comes in, then by morning tomorrow, or by evening tomorrow, I'll be able to give you more names also. So we are trying to do all of that, but the more the merrier. The more people you all go ahead and touch, you all will have the benefit and satisfaction that I have been able to touch more lives, more than what you could have actually done only through social media.
it is advisable to mention those brand gift voucher in the teaser itself.
We'll do
So
that. That is the
We'll do
reason
that.
why. That is the reason why Ishan has not yet shared the creative with you.
Okay.
Yeah. So immediately after that is done, we will share the creative with you as well.
Thanks.
Okay, Hiral, the individual link remains the same, right?
Individual link remains the same,
Remains the same.
but the
Everything
creative
remains
will
the
be
same.
new. The creative
Okay.
will be new. We are sharing the creative by today or tomorrow morning. You will get the creative. We will
Okay,
also
great.
give you the time where we expect all of you all to post together. The post also will be given to you, so you basically have to put in only the time that you all are mutually deciding in that post, and post it. All the hashtags and all the tags are already mentioned in the post. So everything is already done and ready. As soon as I get a go ahead, Ishan will send the details to all of you all.
Okay.
Perfect.
Anything I'm missing out, sir?
No, I think you have fleshed it out very correctly.
Thank you. Any other questions anybody has? Anybody wants to ask anything?
So this remains the same. Get more people to walk. And the people who don't walk at all, people who don't see, again, we are all runners. Okay, so everybody here is a runner. Okay, except some of my team members. But the idea is that the idea remains that everybody should come out and
I
we should
heard that
encourage.
loud and clear.
You got that loud and clear, Hiral. Thank you very much. Okay. So anyway, so coming back, the thing is that we have to encourage more and more people to walk. And if they, why has Milind joined this? Because Milind says that, see, I'm telling people to run, but not everybody wants to run. In most of the advanced countries, USA, UK, to Japan, where running is a very strong culture, only about 10% of the population is running. 90% of the population doesn't run. Though running is so popular as a sport there. So when I say running, I mean jogging also. I'm not taking part in events. I mean even people who go out and do a 5K in their garden and come back. That included is only 10%. So, but there's a large population that wants to walk. And if we can get them to walk, they may not become runners at all. But even if we get them to walk for half an hour, 45 minutes every day, we have served society. We have not just been a health ambassador at a very top of the pyramid, jo bhagte half marathon, comrades, full marathon, who are doing step challenges and hit challenges and all these kind of things is nice. But how do we take our influence and reach out to more people who may not? For example, in my building there are 5-6 women who walk every day. Okay, when I come into my office, they're walking. How can I give them a goal? How can I make them walk 5,000 steps? How can I give them a sense of purpose? Maybe out of that, some people may start running, and if they don't start running also, so what? Yeah, as long as they're walking and they're healthy and they're coming out of their houses, I think we have served the cause of society.
Even if they dance, they can count the 5,000
Yes,
steps.
as long as the steps are there, it'll count.
Yeah.
Yeah. They can dance,
Yeah.
they can skip, they can do staircase, anything
right?
rhythmic movement, the phone will catch.
Correct.
Good evening, everyone. Venkat sir, good evening.
Hi, Suvarna, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Sorry for delay because I was in the other Zoom, so that's
No problem.
why I'm joined late. So I
No
missed starting what Hiral explained. I think I have to go through the recording now.
No problem. Yeah, we'll send you.
Only
Everything will come to you on social media, not to worry.
I'll have
So,
Ishan call you up, Suvarna. He'll brief you about the entire thing.
So Anil here.
Can you hear?
Yes, Anil.
Okay, one more question from me. When you post on the social media, Insta or Facebook, do we have to show some kind of a proof that we have done minimum 5,000 steps and what
No.
it would be?
The app leaderboard we will get to.
We'll come to know, Anil. We'll definitely, since the participants are doing it, we
Yeah.
will have an internal team sitting and checking whether the person who has posted on
Okay.
social media.
So
Is
we did not
is
post.
a participant or not?
Okay.
And we will check whether the person has done 5,000 steps or not.
Okay, fine. Done.
So we will be validating it.
Right. Thanks.
But every day the person has to tag 3 different people. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. That is very clear.
Yeah. I don't know whether Suvarna could hear what I said. I think I was on mute while I was talking. Suvarna, I'll have Ishan call you up so that you are updated with whatever we are talking about over here.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Hiral. Thanks.
Welcome. Anyone else? Any questions?
No, we'll wait for the creatives.
Rameshwari, Bindu, Rohini, Kranti. Any questions?
Sir, sir, I'm driving here and I've parked my vehicle right now.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah, actually, I was in the dock for my father. Sir, I just need to know what the gist of the meeting because I missed out on a major part.
They will send you a recording and Ishan will call you up and.
Yeah, that would be great. Yeah, that would be great. Yeah.
Even after the meeting, if you all have any questions, you all can post on the group and we'll answer over there also.
Sunil, how are you? Sunil Bakshi, how are you? Does anybody have any questions? Roshni, how are you?
No questions. Everything is clear and loud.
Thank you, Kranti. Thank you.
Kranti, I'm sending that mail to you in some time.
Okay.
Venkat sir, I'm okay. Apologies, I did not get back to you.
No problem.
I'm just fine. Just trying to retrace back to the workouts. My workouts are missing for some time now.
Yes, I'm seeing that you're not updating anything.
Yes. Just a little bit of a backlog to be completed. I'll begin again. And I'll ensure that I complete the target within time.
Very good.
Sir, I finished. I reached Dandi, and Milind Soman also shared my post included in the Insta, in the story.
I saw that.
Thank you.
Right.
So my team was very happy. अरे Milind Soman का उधर आपका आ गया बोलते.
हाँ तो अभी उनको बोलना कि जो लोग भी करेंगे ना
हाँ.
रोज का रोज
They are all doing.
रोज मिलिंद सुमन करेगा.
Yeah, I know. Now they will post. There are two attractions. One is the Milind post, and second is the Titan track.
I don't know which one is the bigger one.
Sir, I have a question.
Sure.
Even I have reached Dandi a couple of days back. So now for this 5,000 steps for the fresh challenge from 2nd October to 8th October, now my app is not going to count the next step as it is not counted.
We are resetting it for everybody.
Okay. So
We
for
are-
that
we are-
5,000 challenge, you are resetting the app again.
Yes, whoever has gone and completed this this Dandi, we are resetting the app. They'll start from again. They can again be part of the entire thing. They are again will be entitled to everything.
Okay.
Yeah. So many people have done that, correct? So of course, some people
Yeah.
say rightly, wrongly, whatever it is, they have done it. Okay, so we are resetting it.
Yeah,
It
I'm
took
going
me
to
44
restart
days
from
to
second.
complete.
Hmm?
It took me 44 days to complete.
Yeah, I am also doing very slow. My training is very poor. But if I was running the way I was running regularly, I would
Right.
also done it in about 50, 60 days, 40, 50, 60, 70 days. I would have done it. Not a very difficult thing for people who like us. But the
Yeah, yeah.
Those
intention
into
of the
fitness,
event
it's
is
not a difficult
the
thing.
intention
For
of the
fresh
event is not
walkers,
to be
it is.
competitive. The intention
Right.
of the event is to encourage people to come out and walk.
Right, absolutely.
I have one query, Venkat sir.
Yes, Kranti.
During the week when you are going to do the lucky draw, and if it happens to be an ambassador, will it be fair? I mean, you should be taking away the ambassadors list, or how are you going to do it?
Anybody who's posting will get.
Okay.
So the
Whoever
question is that can the referee kick the goal? The answer is yes. No, we don't want to. Well, I mean, you have also done it. You have done everything. Why should you be disqualified?
I remember in Techno, we had so many ambassadors won prizes.
Yes, I myself got prizes.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
Yes.
Ozio, I got prizes.
Yeah.
Chalo, if you have done nothing, I think we are about 36 minutes, 38 minutes. About taken about half an hour since we started.
Yeah.
So if there's nothing else, then we can close the meeting.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming on
Thank
such
you
short
very
notice.
much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
sir.
Pleasure, sir.
Thank you and bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you, sir.